Good day, everybody. Good day. Well, I just dropped off my wife's sorry, there's traffic. Just dropped off my wife's vehicle. It was a fantastic $1,129. Sorry, that's my brethren striking out there. I thought I'd give them a little beep beep. $1,129 for new tires, balanced, and disposal fee and all that junk. So, yeah, oh, that includes a synthetic oil change. The good part is they threw in a gallon of windshield washer fluid. Wasn't that nice? So, $1,129. I've got about an hour or so, and I got to leave to bring this baby in over there. Spend another $1,000 or so, because theoretically it's just an oil change, but we know what that means. It isn't. I've got this problem every time I go over a bump. You might have heard that little beep. Every time I go over a bump, I hear that little beep, and a little red exclamation point comes on. And that's not fun, if I do say. I know, like. I still got to go and do arm day today. Went up to the pot gathering last night. The guy that, Tanner, he runs a pot manufacturing plant here in town. He had his grand opening of his dispensary there last night, and he goes to the gym, and I went and got myself some cream. I'm not into, like I said, I think I said that in my last one, I'm not into marijuana or anything. I'm just looking for some relief from my elbow pain, and that stuff works a lot better than A535. Pretty impressed with it. It's a mix of CBD and THC. Chuck on, rub it into your joint, and it penetrates, and gosh, I gotta tell you, it relieves the pain in my joint. And I'm one of these people who, oh geez, sorry about that. I'm one of these people that research everything before I do it. And I did research it, and CBD and THC salve or balm or whatever you want to call it. You rub that into your joint affected area, muscle relief and soreness and stuff, and it does. Every single place that I researched it said, well, yeah, it does actually work. So I tried it, and it does. My wife was driving this morning, of course, because I had to take her vehicle into the garage, so the seat is up. Someone from the Congo was driving my truck. Those short Congolese people. Okay, so I shudder to think what this is going to be costing me. My little trucky poo. But you got to pay it. What are you going to do? It's either that or buy another vehicle and spend $1,000 a month minimum on a new vehicle. And Jimmy doesn't want to spend that. I could probably do it, but who wants to? And I still got to go to the gym today. It's arm and chest day, like I said. And after that, come home and try and invent something for supper, which is not going to be fun in the slightest. So thanks. I don't know if I'll use this one. I hope so. But or I may talk to you on the way over when I take the truck over and use that one. But anyway, email down below. This is Big Jimmy. Thanks for driving around today. Talk to you tomorrow.